Welcome to Worldwide Machine Tool. This is our warehouse full of new and used machinery, lathes, mills, grinders, press brake shears. We got everything here. And what we're doing today is looking at two Bridgeport Mills side by side. We put them here so you guys can see them. And what we've got is the last Bridgeport Mill built by Hardinge. One of the last. And then this is one of the first new Bridgeport Mills built by Clausing. So we've got them side by side, probably one of the few people who actually have both. And we're just going to go through them and see if we can notice any differences or discrepancies between the two. And yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, as I start, the first thing I notice at the top is the US motor. Same US motor on the Clausing. The head, at first glance, looks identical from the layout, the variable speed, the switching, back gear, power down feed, right down to the American flag. Same, this one, variable speed, high-low range, back gear, power down feed, down to the American flag, and they both even have the quick release quill stop. The castings look the same on the base and the ram. Ram, base, even down to the warning label. Scrape marks, flake marks on the knee, flake marks on the table. They always had 9x49 tables for the last few years. They used to be 9x42, and they changed them to 48 and now 49. And the saddles were always 18 inches. 18 inches on the Hardinge, 18 inches on the Clausing. Yeah, the handles are actually even the same. The base, 7-inch, there we go. 7-inch base with 2 coolant returns. 7-inch base with the 2 coolant returns. These mills are identical. The only thing I did notice, here, follow me around the back, is Clausing has put a serial number tag on the back, which is nice. It's got the model, the serial number, the year it was built. That's pretty handy. Whereas Clausing didn't do that. And they always put the serial number stamped into the knee, but then you'd have to look up the serial number to find the age of the machine. So that's kind of handy. But other than that, these mills are identical. I can't find any difference.